You've set up the tree, now set up the shot. The Christmas tree makes the perfect backdrop for magical holiday photos, and my next guest has 4 ideas to capture the lights and sights of the season from your own living room. Rebecca Franson of Camera Mama joins me to share the techniques that any home photographer can capture with their phone. Welcome back, friend.
Thank you.
These feel so festive, and I think that is because they all center around this gorgeous Christmas tree that we put so much time into.
Yes, yes. There's so much going on at Christmas. You might as well use what you've already got and not make more work for yourself.
The 4 techniques that you have set up for us, I'm really excited. First up is, I've never heard of this, but I know what it looks like. It's the bokeh effect. We all love it because it's that dreamy look, kind of.
Yes.
So how do you say we achieve this?
Okay, so with your phone, you'll want to put it on portrait mode, and then you're going to want to step, like in this photo here, you can see those circles of light in the background and the foreground, like in this one, and it's just blurred out because the further away you are from the light, the bigger the balls of light the bokeh can be. And like on this one, you can see with my dog. Now watch, I just focused a little bit further forward, and those bokeh lights just went a lot bigger.
Yeah.
So if you're wanting bigger lights, you put your subject a little bit further from the tree, and those beautiful magical lights just pop out from your photos.
So the depth is really where the magic happens.
Yes, exactly.
Oh, I love that. That's so beautiful. Good tip. Next up, you're calling it the Ring of Fire.
Yes.
I'm very intrigued by the Ring of Fire.
Okay.
Tell us about that.
Well, as you'll see on the photo demonstrations, it's just, you don't even need any fancy equipment. You can go to if you're using a camera, you use the copper pipes, and then hopefully it'll show some examples of what it actually looks like, and then I can show you how to achieve that. But that's me taking a photo of my stepdaughter, and then you're going to see right here what it looks like. It just creates that kind of ring of fire.
Yes.
And all I was doing was using, if you're using a camera, you use a copper pipe, and then for my phone, I'll show you in a second like how to do it, but you're just going to get
us.
Okay, so here's my phone, and I just found this in the garage. I guess it's called a drill stop, and I put it over my camera as I am taking the photo, and then the light of the tree will reflect against this little area, and there you go. And then if you're using a camera, you're going to want to have one of these UV filters to protect your lens, and then you can get one of these copper pipes at any hardware store, and same thing. And the key is to just like have fun and experiment, and just, there's no like, this is exactly how you do it, but just use it and have fun with your kids and make a memory. Make a memory,
I love that. Okay, the last lighting idea you have is a glowing book. This sounds magical. How do we do this?
You got to do this with your kids. It's so fun. So for your boys, you would have them lay in front of the tree and read one of their favorite Christmas books.
Oh, look at this.
And then turn off all the lights in the room that you're in. And then what you're going to do is you're either going to get an iPad or your phone and turn your phone on like flashlight mode. And so the flashlight is just glowing up into their face.
Into the book.
And then you can just do this on portrait mode on your phone.
Oh, it's
and
so
then create
cute.
These darling magical moments of your kids.
So cute. Okay, and then the last one you have is the use of candy canes. What are we doing with candy canes?
Well, hey, you know, just grab a few candy canes and kind of make them into a heart, and you can frame your pets, you can frame your kids, you can frame, just have some fun with some candy canes, and that's just about, it's kind of hard to hold them together sometimes, so you can tape them or glue them, but it's just kind of a fun little twist, and to use your decorations and get a cute photo.
Yeah, and something you're really passionate about is actually printing your photos.
Yes, I encourage people to get their photos off their phones. I mean, it's great that it's so easy to take them, but I love printing and having them in my home and decorating with them. It just helps me remember all the good things and all the good memories. And when kids see photos of themselves around the home, they just feel so much they feel like they belong, and
Love
it brings so
and
much
pride.
joy. Yes,
Absolutely.
It's so great.
It's what makes a home a home.
Yes,
It's that personalization.
So true. Yes, and every month I print a box through Persnickety Prints, and also I do pages through every month through the Project Life app.
Okay.
So, yeah.
Okay, and you're doing something fun on your Instagram for Studio 5 viewers. Tell us about that.
Yeah, so if anyone wants to if anyone has any follow-up questions about any of these techniques I've mentioned, just hop on my Instagram on Wednesday at 1 p.m. and I'll do a live Q&A.
Oh, so fun.
Guys.
Thank you for all these Christmas ideas. They're so fun, and just getting those memories. That's so special. You're so right. I'm going to do I think we all can do a little better.
No, well, don't feel guilty about it. Like, I don't want anyone to have guilt, but just
all for the memories.
Fun. And what I want people to go away with is it's within reach. You don't have to have fancy cameras.
Just try.
Just try and have some fun.
So good.
Yeah.
Good advice. Thanks so much.
You're welcome.